Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent. Going all around in Tashkent. Yeah, it's Tashkent. It's Tashkent.
This is Tashkent City Park, right next to the Tashkent City Mall. So the Tashkent City Mall is right here. So people can come right out here and they can enjoy this big park. I've been kind of exploring the park a little bit, but there's a lot more to it. So I'm going to walk in a different direction than before and give you an idea what it looks like in the evening as the sun goes down. Okay, Tashkent City Park. Walking around in the evening, kind of seeing what's all around. So let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And let's just get right into it. I know you want to as well. Let's do it. Tashkent City Park. Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Okay, so let's go in. Looks like we could go lots of different ways. We're gonna go this way. So we'll kind of go into it a little bit, give you an idea what it looks like. A lot of photographers, they'll come here. So let's get in a little bit more and then we'll show you. Okay, so we're gonna be going down a part of the, I've kind of filmed a little bit in this park, but there's a lot to it. So I'm gonna go in a different direction. And you can see the love and the cocan. Just to give you some context, that is the city mall that we're just in. And then the light show stuff is over there. You're gonna see some of that later. Here comes a bus coming through here. We'll probably catch up to us in a moment. So let's try to give you an idea what it looks like here. That place is a pizza place. You can actually sit outside. There's some nice places to sit. Tourist stuff, drinks. Okay, got some music here, and here comes the bus. Got a Turkish guy selling ice cream there. And a little bit of a show, it looks like. Kind of typical of what you'll see. And over here, you see another little bus. So let me see what this is. Don't know what the reference is. Love. And we have this giant Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, let's just follow the crowds. We go into the crowds and see. It's getting a little bit dark, but I think we can still capture some of it. Let's see. Aladdin. Some of the buildings are starting to light up as well, so you can see. I think that's part of the draw. And then I think around 8:30 or so, they'll start to have a light show. Anyway, it's getting a little bit dark, but we'll see what we can capture here before it gets too dark. Okay. A little bit of a park. The water. So the water show, I guess, it was going earlier. Looks like we have the amphitheater starting over there. So I kind of showed a little bit of it in my last video. You can see those in the thumbnails. Let's kind of move through here a little bit and get more into the action. And there's a bus. I don't know if the reference 1928 Akhisar, but there's a hotel with the same name. And this is like a Turkish one. Anyways, we're gonna keep on exploring. You can also see that more of the lights are coming up everywhere as well. Hilton. I saw Holiday Inn over there as well. So there's a lot, I think more and more hotels and different stuff is coming up in this area too. So there's lots of these spaces that you can kind of check out all the shows. Oops, sorry. So here's one of them right here. So earlier they had like a light show that was all the way around there, and then it was all lined up. So I guess that's just it's not permanent, it's not continuous. It's probably like 7:30. There's Hilton with the lights going now. Anyways, if you look at that water, it's like a swimming pool of water. Okay, so we are going to, the lights are coming on now everywhere. Looks like there's more over there too. I wonder if it was gonna be swimming a lot in that area. Anyways, let's go further down. It's starting to get a little bit dark, so this will be the last film that I do for tonight. But we'll give you more ideas of the park. And I'll probably end up filming more again over the next few days. It's like a chic guy dressed in chic handing out flyers. Okay. So I think what we're going to be doing is going towards that live music. I should have done that a while ago. I just switched it to something called linear. So maybe the camera's better now. I think it was in super view, which is not so good. Anyways, it's better now, so. But it's getting a little bit too dark to film. this one in the last video, but it was the video had a different purpose. It was to do this other another part of Tashkent, but sometimes I'll combine some of them into it. But it's actually a great street to film right now. Lots of very lively. Everybody's going to the show, but you have all these shops too. So as far as I know, this is kind of new stuff for Tashkent. I hadn't really heard this recommended until very recently. But it's nice. Okay. Okay. So that's where the stage is at. You can see more of these Hilton, all the different lights coming up, and you can see them straight ahead as well. Ice cream shop. There's the ice cream shop right there. Okay. Pretty cool. So this is going to be the last video for tonight, but I'm going to be filming more of Tashkent. So if you're watching my channel, I usually go to a city and I'll film you know, like 15 videos or so and give you the feel as if you're there yourself. So it's different than just somebody who just, you know, just shows you the main tourist things to do. But I try to give you like a better slice of the city so you can kind of get a better feel for all the different aspects of it and such. So yeah, and we're in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. It's interesting because all these women have their garb on. I don't know if they're either from the same area or if that's just something they do when they have kids. Like they'll, because actually the headdress, I don't see it. It's like it's a small percentage in Uzbekistan. I'm used to like Malaysia where it's like 90%, or Indonesia it's like almost 90%. Like almost everybody who's a Muslim will wear it. In the Middle East, you know, but I was in Kazakhstan and like maybe 10%, and maybe Uzbekistan maybe a little bit more, maybe 20%. And I don't even know if those are Uzbeks or not, you know, like could be. I think it's kind of a tourist spot because there's so much history in Uzbekistan with the Silk Road. So I kind of have a feeling that it's a lot of other people come up and visit from neighboring countries, including the Middle East. Anyways, we're going to be coming to an end for this one, so I'll go up to the corner and then I'll do an ending of this video. Okay, we got boba tea. I might actually get some boba tea before I go. I'll show you where I'm going to be going. I'm going to be walking directly to, there's a parking lot, and then there's this building right here. My hotel is on the other side of that. I'm actually going to change hotels tomorrow, but if you saw my other videos, that's where I was staying, that had like kind of a Soviet architecture hotel. So yeah, I'm going to be walking over there soon, and I'm going to end for the night vlogging. And that's the mall right there. And then you can also see some of the other city buildings are all lit up, so we'll walk a little bit further and then we'll show you that. Yeah, you can see that now. Then there's the Tashkent City Mall right there. That's also lit up too. Looks really nice. Then you have some other buildings there. You can see those now too. Yeah, so pretty cool. Even those apartments are all lit up as well. Okay, Tashkent City Park. So the final shot right there. There it is. All right, good night for now. More Tashkent coming up and more videos of my next day that I'll be here when I wake up in the morning. I'll be here filming again. Different places. Interesting enough, they also have a tennis court right here, right at the mall. I haven't left the area quite yet, but that's the city mall right there. I guess I'll probably have to film more of it tomorrow, because it seems like the depth of it is kind of interesting. So yeah, tennis court right there. Amazing. With all those lights too. Okay. let's end it for the night.